Prostate cancer affects an estimated 12% of American men in their lifetime. A prostatectomy, most likely performed robotically, is an excellent treatment with a 97% survival rate at 5 years. Depending on how it's defined, up to 80% of men after a prostatectomy will experience incontinence. Having urinary incontinence can lead to withdrawal from people you like spending time with and activities you enjoy doing. Pelvic physical therapy is a great way to get back to doing what you love with who you love. Today I'm going to give you 4 tips to get started if you're a man experiencing incontinence after prostatectomy. Tip number 1. When you do your pelvic floor contractions, you want to both squeeze and relax. If you find yourself just squeeze, you're not utilizing the full range of motion of your pelvic floor and maybe missing some strength gains. Number 2, perform both short and long contractions. Your pelvic floor muscles have both slow and fast twitch muscle fibers, and so we want to train them both. Tip number 3, make your hips as strong as possible. Happy hips equals a happy pelvic floor, and having stronger hip and glute muscles provides support to your pelvic floor. You can get this in with squats, lunges, step-ups, hip thrusts, banded hip work, bridges, whatever feels good for you. The stronger your hips are, the better your pelvic floor does. Tip number 4, work on managing intra-abdominal pressure by avoiding holding your breath. If we hold our breath and increase abdominal pressure, that puts pressure down on a bladder and an already weakened pelvic floor and might cause more leakage. So one thing you can try is before doing an activity where you have to exert yourself, think about exhaling before and during. We like to say, blow before you go. So that could mean if you're going to stand up from a sitting position, exhale first as you stand. If these tips aren't enough to help you kick the incontinence, come on in and see us here at Kemper Pelvic Physio. We actually have a specialized program for patients pre- and post-prostatectomy to help make sure you have everything that you need. So check out kemperpt.com and we'd be happy to help you out.